Hello everyone, this is Shubham from gossipfunda, and today I'm here to elaborate about the topic how you take fake screenshot or fake tweets. So I would not recommend you to do so, it's just a tutorial. So without any further ado, let's jump to it. So the very first step is go to Google and search for tweet gen. Here we go. As you can see, there is a page called fake tweet generator. We have to open it. There the page opens. As you can see, there displays tweet, block, suspension and more to coming soon. And there are some like online fake tweet generator, like what's its usage, how to use it. One should carefully read that, but I'm aware I will switch into it. I'll go for the tweet one. So as you can see, the page is open and showing the theme light, dim, dark. I'll go for the dark one. Profile picture we'll choose later. Let me show you the other stuffs. I will go for a famous name, that is Shah Rukh Khan, famous Bollywood actor King Khan, and I will eventually give his username too, that is I am SRK, and of course he is a verified user, so yes, that means to be there. And now was it's asking for the tweet content what we get, so I'll choose a spicy and catchy tweet content. I will write up a new film coming next Friday, or else I will write new film coming next week on Netflix India. Yeah, at Netflix India. Yeah, and I will use the hashtag for like it should be look like genuine, and I will also tag Netflix India, but it eventually doesn't tag because it's it's a fake generator. So as you can see, it now seems to tell us like to choose the image that will be shown on the tweet. I'll go for the time, like I will choose 9, let's keep it 30 or 25, let's keep it 27 or 28. Yeah, that would be the perfect time, as it's already 9 o'clock here. And I will choose the date of 26th June, that is today, 2021. And here as you can see, we can choose the number of retweets, quote tweets and likes. So let me guess, it should be like around 450, or let's add one more digit. Yeah, it should be around 4.5 million. And quote tweets I will like to I would like to keep it in lakhs. So yeah, I will keep it 8 lakhs. And likes I would go for like around one digit more million, that is, let's keep it 16 million. I guess I missed a digit, but yes, I will change it. Let me show another thing. Client name. Now client name shows for like which device. Like I will use for Twitter for iPhone because he has a Twitter, or I can use a Twitter for web too because maybe his manager managed to. Anyways, we have to show it fake, not real. Now there is a fact check warning that is optional, but we don't need to see that, as you can see. Now let me choose the image. So I've chosen the official SRK image that is shown is Instagram and Twitter ID. I'll show you it a bit in a later. Now let's see what are the other stuffs we can go for. Here you can see the preview sample of the image. Oh, I was wrong, actually it was 1.6 million. I have to change, I have to add one more digit to it, 0. Yeah, now it's around 16 million. Should it should be upgrade when I generate the image, I guess. Let's try for it. Generate image is not generating correctly. What's the in the downstairs, as you can see, now it is 16 million generated. The image is generated. Now in order to save it, we have to long press on the image and download the image. Yeah, as you can see, it is downloaded, and now you can see the preview. It's looking like it's original. As you can see, it is a very, like, I would not like to say helpful, because if you can do these type of scam or fake tweets, you can get in indulge of cybercrime. I will not let you to like force you to do so, and will not, like, it was just to show you the preview how to do fake generate tweets. I would not suggest you to do so because it may lead to cybercrime or anything else. Plus, if you do it with verified account, then police will take no time to catch you. So in my conclusion, I would like to say and end up that it was just like a tutorial to show how to do these stuffs. I would not recommend you to do so because it's illegal. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you see in my next video. Do like, comment, and share it to your friends. And always do subscribe to Gossip Funda for these further technical updates. Don't forget to put down your queries in the comment section and do check the link in the description area. Stay happy, stay safe, and keep watching Gossip Funda. Goodbye.